For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
On 6 October, the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting released the standard operation procedure for the exhibition of films. From entry and exit points to seating arrangements to booking and payments, the government has included them all. The general guidelines include physical distancing of at least 6 feet to be followed outside the auditorium. The use of face covers should be mandatory at all times. Availability of hand sanitizers at the entry and exit point as well as in the premises. Respiratory etiquette should be strictly followed. Self-monitoring of health, which means one needs to voluntarily report if dealing with any illness at the earliest. And installation of the Arogya Setu app should be advised to all the viewers and staff members. Other than the general guidelines, specific guidelines for entry and exit points, seating arrangements, physical distancing norms, staggered show timings, booking and payments, sanitization of the premises, air conditioning has also been mentioned. Thermal screening of visitors and staff will be made mandatory at the entry and exit points. Only 50% of seat occupancy will be allowed. Strict crowd management will be followed at the parking lots. Only limited people will be allowed in the elevators at once. Staggered show timing will be followed to avoid the clash of two shows at the same time to avoid crowd. Digital payment methods will be adopted for the buying of tickets, food or beverages. The contact number of the movie viewers will be taken by the theatre authorities during the booking of tickets. Frequent sanitization of the auditorium, box office and the premises have been made mandatory. Staff members are strictly asked to wear face covers throughout their work shift. Air conditioning will be allowed under the CPWD guidelines. Movie authorities will be only allowed to sell packaged food and beverages. While these are the guidelines issued by the Government of India, it remains to be seen when will the state government consider reopening these theatres. State governments can also release their own SOPs other than the Government of India's SOPs. The most important question that strikes people's mind here is that will the experience of watching the film in a cinema hall remain the same? Will the audience enjoy their movie with so many rules and restrictions in place? It is going to be a big challenge for the film exhibitors to bring back the audience to theatres and provide them the comfort they pay for.